Good morning, 5th class students. Children, what did you learn in the previous class? First aid lesson. Cuts and wounds and nose bleeding. Now, I am going to tell you about sprain. What is sprain? Falling, twisting or getting hit can cause a sprain. A sprain is an injury to a ligament, tough elastic like bands that hold our joint in place. Sprained ligaments often swell rapidly and are painful. Ankle and wrist sprains are the most common sprains. Rest. Rest the injured part of the body for at least 24 hours. 24 hours means 1 day. Next, ice. Apply ice for 10 to 15 minutes at a time for every few hours to prevent swelling. Compression. Wear a elastic bandage for at least 2 days to reduce swelling. Next, elevation. Keep the injured part above the heart level as much as possible to ease swelling. Okay, children? Elevation. Keep the injured part above the heart level as much as possible to ease. Children, when ankle or wrist sprain, take rest 24 hours and apply ice for 10 to 15 minutes at a time for every few hours to prevent swelling. Wear an ankle bandage for at least 2 days to reduce swelling. Keep the injured part above the heart level as much as possible to ease swelling. Okay, children? Understood? Next, what if your friend falls down from highest and suffers a bone fracture? Look at this picture, children. What if your friend fell down from a height and suffers a bone fracture? Ask your friend to show or tell you where it hurts. In addition to injuries, notice if there is any persistent pain, swelling or change in the shape of the injured part. If it is so, suspect a bone fracture, broken bone. An unnecessary movement of the injured part may cause further dislocation of the broken bone. Use a splint to give support to the injured part and to immobilize it. Keep the patient cool and comfortable and send for the doctor immediately. Look at these pictures, children. This is a fire accident. What if Simbal's clothes catch fire? Stop. Ask him to say absolutely still as running makes the fire voice. Drop. Make him drop to the ground. Roll. Make him roll on the ground to put out flame. Wrap a woolen rug or a thick blanket around him to some other flames quickly. Cool the burnt skin with cold water. If blisters are formed, don't prick them. Don't try to pull off the clothes stuck to the burnt part. If the burns are minor, apply antiseptic cream on that part to prevent infection and bandage it with a sterile cloth to protect it from dust. If the burns are severe, send him to the hospital. Hot liquids, steam and hot objects also causes burns. When our skin comes in contact with them. What should you do before rushing the victim to a hospital in case a poison or a chemical is splashed in the eye? Advise the victim not to rub his or eye, not to rub his eyes. Rinse the eyes with running water. Next, spilled on the skin. Take off spilled clothes. Wash the skin with running water thoroughly. Inhaled as fumes. Advise him or her to go outside and breathe in fresh air. Swallowed. Give him or her excess water to buttermilk to drink. If the burn is due to chemicals, wash that part with plenty of water and flow the first aid as in case of burns. Now I am going to tell you about animal bites. See here children, first one, dog bite. Animal bites such as dog bites are common among children. Animal bite is a wound caused by its teeth or nails. Sometimes it may cause infection and lead to rabies. Wash the bite area with soap and water. Apply pressure with sterile gauze or a clean cloth if the bite is bleeding. If the bleeding has stopped, apply antibiotic ointment. Cover the area with a bandage or a sterile gauze. Consult a doctor for anti-rabies and tetanus vaccine. Which type of vaccine use dog bite children? Anti-rabies or tetanus vaccine. When dog bite, what is precautions? Wash the bite or bite area. Wash the bite area with soap and water. Apply pressure with sterile gauze or a clean cloth. If the bite is bleeding, if the bleeding has stopped, apply antibiotic ointment. Cover the area with a bandage or a sterile gauze. Consult a doctor for anti-rabies and tetanus vaccine. Take these precautions when dog bite. Okay children. Next children, snake bite. See here children. Snake bite. Observe the teeth marks at the area of the bite. There may be pain or swelling at the site. The bite of a poisonous snake can be deadly if the victim is not treated in time with anti-venom. Remember, all snakes are not poisonous. In case of poisonous snake bite, keep the victim calm and restrict limb movement. Tie a tourniquet with a cloth above the site of the bite. If necessary, as shown in the picture, rush the victim to the nearest hospital for the timely treatment. Generally, majority of snakes avoid humans and they do not bite unless they are surprised or threatened. Look at this picture, children. Scorpion bite. The victims experience a burning, tingling, numbing sensation at the site of the sting of the scorpion. Swelling and redness can also be seen. Wash the affected part with soap water. Apply ice to ease the burning sensation. Swelling and pain, take the victim to a hospital for medical aid. Okay children, understood this lesson? Be careful with dogs children. Thank you. I will meet in the next class.